Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are in process video number 184 entitled Lovely Day, and this is my second layout from the latest Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club, and it features the products from American Crafts Shimel line called Sparkle City. It also has some items from the embellishment add-on kit for this month. So this is going to be a double page layout just because I have a few photos here and I didn't want to condense them into a single layout, because then I won't have any room to play with the really cute pattern papers here. I am working with, let me see, I think it's 2, 4, I believe I have 8 photos. Yes, I do have 8 photos. And so the design of this layout actually started with this pattern paper. I love the word on there and the way it's designed in kind of a diagonal fashion. And so I wanted to cut that up, and I didn't want to cut it up straight because then it will ruin the design of the words. And so I cut it at an angle, and that's basically how this layout is going to start. I'm going to put one of the angled piece on the top left of my double page layout, and then the other one on the bottom right. And I like how that turned out. Of course, I wanted to use the other papers in this layout, and so I'm going to kind of see if I can use some of them like as a border. I do know that if I use just one side of a 12 by 12 page, or rather 12 by 12 paper from right on that angled piece, that it's not going to work out because it's just too short because the paper was cut in an angle. And so I debated that maybe I should do something else with it, maybe cut another piece at an angle, but at the end I just decided to go with a 12 by 12, or no, not 12 by 12, but 12 by about 1.5 inch strip, and then I'm going to cut the ends of it into a notch so that it looks like that it would still work, kind of not really covering the entire seam of the angled paper, but at least it will have a design on there. And I did cut this paper that has all the cameras. I'm going to put that on the kind of empty space that's not being covered by my photos. And then I did cut that as an angle too, so that I only had to cut, I think it's a 6-inch wide paper, and then cut that in half so that I can kind of spread the papers around. That's the thing about these mini kits from Flavors of the Month kit, is you only get 3 pieces of pattern paper, but know that they're all double-sided, so you actually get 6 designs, and you don't have to make a double page layout for all of them. I think you can like stretch the papers a lot more if you make single page layouts, but as you can see here, it doesn't take too much product for us to make a double page layout. So I think that the value that you get from this kit club is really great. I mean, I have been using this for, I think, close to maybe, I want to say 10 months now, and yeah, I think 10 months now, and I have enjoyed it. And let me tell you, I still have a lot of product. There are just certain mini kits that I just don't use enough of, and so I have a lot of scraps just from my leftovers from this kit alone. So if you're still on the fence, try to consider getting this mini kit, because it's a great value for your money. Okay, moving on. So I have adhered all of the pictures and the layouts, or rather the paper, and then I also pre-printed my journaling on just white cardstock, and then I cut that into a strip, and then I'm going to put that on the bottom of the cluster of photos that I had put on the right side. Now there was a sticker that said Lovely Day on the sticker sheet, and so I'm going to use that as a title. Now these photos were taken my husband is a truck driver, and this was taken at the truck yard where he used to work at. He doesn't work at that particular company anymore, but he used to work at a certain company, and they had a truck yard, and he just so happened that he had forgotten his suitcase in his truck, and then he went home and he totally forgot it. And so he said that he needed to go back to the truck yard to go get his suitcase, and it was, I think it was a Sunday morning when he realized that, and the truck yard wasn't that far from us. I mean, it was about an hour away from where we lived, and so we decided to kind of tag along. So it was kind of like a bring your family to work day type of thing. And the good thing is that it was a Sunday, so there was really no business going on at that time, and so we were able to actually see the truck that he lives in for a whole week, and the kids got to ride on it. It was a really fun experience, and so I just wanted to document that. And the sticker sheet happened to have a truck on there, but it's just the trailer part of it wasn't really matching my layout, so I just cut the part of the trailer and just left the truck alone. And that's basically my layout. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.